What's up? Welcome back to the channel here. I don't really do phone stuff like this, but I figured might as well. This is the brand new Samsung S22 Plus. Didn't really want this one. This is too big. I don't need a big phone. But that's all I had, so I had to get it. So that's the phone. It's pretty cool. Blah, blah. Comes with obviously no case. You know, you don't want to drop this. It's going to ruin it very fast. There's like, you know, it's very clearly breakable, as all phones are. But so you want to get a good case. Otterbox has always made good stuff for the most part, and it looks gross. So I got the Defender Pro here, and it was like at T-Mobile, it's like $50 or something like that. I don't know. It's fine. Like, I don't know. It's like whatever, 4 times tested. I don't believe any of it, but whatever. So there's the box. It comes with this, you know, the thing you throw on your belt or whatever, which I never use because I'm too cool for that. So here's the actual case. It's a 2-piece case. It's got that soft stuff on the inside, which is good. It is the hard plastic on the inner edges here, and then the softer plastic on the outside for dexterity. And why my hand looks so red is from the filter. Just don't worry about that. I could probably not change that. Either way, so when I got the phone, they put the phone in the case for me. I didn't really ask them to do that, but they just do, I think, out of, you know, normal like behavior as employees there. But you know, it's kind of cool. It's got the little thing there. Nice phone for sure. Hyped to have a new one because my old phone really was an S8 Plus, and it completely died on me. So here it is, the Defender Pro series, and it's big, man. Like, the phone itself is big. I'm gonna break out a dollar bill just to show you how big all this stuff is. Better yet, why not do a 50 player? All right, so there's a $50 bill. They're all the same size. They fit right in there, right? So it's a big case, right? It's a big case. It's a lot bigger than the S8 Plus I had before. I'll say that I should have invested in a better case to begin with, because that's the reason my last phone died. It's because I didn't get the best case I could. So if you can get a good case, I highly recommend it. Back in the days of like other phones, I had some Defender Otterbox cases, and they kind of fell apart. The rubber kind of just got way softer than it originally was, and we'll see if that happens again, but I doubt it. I'm sure they figured out how to, like, you know, deal with human oils all over your phone all day while you're on the toilet, basically. So, you know, this stuff right here it's hardened rubber, but it's got a good grip to it, whereas the shiny stuff on the inside here is obviously like a plastic ABS or something. I'm sure I could probably look that up somewhere. Here is the charging port you have. I don't ever like these that flip up, because they always just end up breaking right here, and then that part rips, and that part starts ripping, and both sides start ripping, and it just looks like crap eventually. We'll see how long that lasts. I already know that, you know, day after day of opening this up and, you know, essentially prying against the rubber, it's gonna fatigue. That's my only complaint so far with this thing, other than just the size. But again, if you're gonna drop your phone, all that stuff, you don't want to have to deal with cracks and stuff, and so getting a good case obviously makes sense. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, they put the phone in the case for me, and I didn't even really get a chance to even look at the phone. So this is really my first time even seeing it. It's very nice. It's a very elegant phone. All they had was black. All they had was the, you know, the S22 Plus, which I was, you know, you kind of reach for stuff sometimes. It's kind of annoying, and I'm probably dating myself a little bit, but Smaller phones are kind of nice, but this is good for like watching stuff if you're gonna be like, you know, laying around sometimes and watching videos and all that, which I do a lot of, so it's fine. So when they give you your phone at the, you know, T-Mobile or wherever you're buying your phone at, they already put it in the case for me, but I wanted to take a look at it, so here we are. And I was kind of messing with it, thinking like, while the phone was in the case itself, I was thinking, well, I want to take it out. And I started prying on the edges. I'm going like, damn, I don't know what to do. Push here. You kind of, you know, intuitively you want to go like, well, maybe deal with some of this stuff, but that's not the way to do it. What you want to do is go back to this little flap here, and this is if your phone is in the case already or out and you want to clean it up or whatever, get some of the junk out of there. It develops over time. You just want to peel it apart because this is a 2-piece case. So just open the little flap up and then just pull, was it down, I think? Yeah, you want to pull down, and it unsheathes the rubber part there. And this is going to be how you do it as well. I mean, I can do it with one hand, and it just shows you. It's a good system for sure. It just, the hard case flops out. Let's see, what does it say right there? I mean, in China, of course. But so there's the rubbery exterior. You know, silicon. Maybe it's silicon. I don't know. It'd be nice if it was. I'm guessing it is. It's got to be silicon or some sort of, you know, comparable material. So then here you have the actual main part of the bones, and that's the skin, right? So you see these tabs right here. All you gotta do is just prime up. Just gently prime up, and you know, like any other classic like case. Again, doing it with one hand. It's not. My nails are gone too. So just gonna come apart like that. Prime up. Snaps up. I think there's like 5 or I don't know, 6 maybe up top here, and there you go. It's apart. And then, you know, if we want to put it back together, snaps back together. Easy like. Did I even get that right? I don't know. Yeah. It's easy enough. It's not real science, guys, you know, just the videos help you understand how to do it without breaking some stuff. And then this would just slide back in that one. So if I can get it first try one-handed. Yeah. They don't show you this stuff at the T-Mobile place, do they? They just go, here's your phone. Here's your weird bill. You gotta pay now. Oh, those fees and all that? I don't know. So yeah, that's it. There's your phone in the case, out the case. You gotta do a little massaging, right? I still need to get a good screen protector for this. I've got the original junk on there. As you can see, like the little edge I had to cut off there because it was kind of bubbling up. And of course, like every phone, you won't care about it in about a year, so you know, that's fine too. But in the meantime, enjoy it and keep it nice as long as you can. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, thumbs it up. If it didn't, tell me why my video is terrible and I'll laugh about it. And I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, share, talk some mess. Let me know what you think. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care. Take care. Brush your hair.